On May 19th, the Pearl River School District will ask voters to consider a $61.4 million capital improvements bond to renovate essential infrastructure across all K-12 school buildings. The proposed borrowing would address our aging school facilities and ensure that all students continue to learn in environments that support safety, well-being, and overall success. The proposed scope focuses on 3 key areas identified in our recent New York State Education Department Building Condition Survey and voiced by families, staff, and students through our Capital Project Community Survey. First, district-wide school renovations. The plan calls for major upgrades to our heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems across district classrooms, as well as the elementary multi-purpose rooms, middle school gym and cafeteria, and high school gymnasium and auditorium. The project also provides for boiler and roof replacements and new ceilings with brighter, energy-efficient lighting in classrooms and shared spaces.
Over the years, the equipment has aged and our staff has been able to, maintain it as best we could. This equipment is past its use of life. Most of the roofs here are over 20 years old. They're starting to fail, and it's time to give an upgrade for a safer space for the children to work in.
Second, district-wide safety and security upgrades, such as improvements to lockdown communication systems, enhanced access control at building entrances, upgraded interior door and hardware, and expansion of our fire alarm systems. And third, investments to student support wellness and programming, which focus on upgrades to playgrounds and outdoor spaces at our elementary schools, and much-needed renovations to the Library Media Center, computer room, and tech and science classrooms at the middle school and high school gymnasium, locker rooms, and fields.
The schools don't just reach kids. The school is the center of our community. This bond helps reflect the pride that we have in Pearl River. We want to make sure our buildings reflect that same pride. We need to be able to make sure our safety, that our infrastructure, our boilers, our roofs is top notch. We're trying to sustain the excellence in programming we have, but we can only do that while also sustaining our infrastructure. You have to want people to come here and go, wow.
The proposed project totals $63.6 million, with the use of $2.2 million in capital reserve funds. The total bond amount is $61.4 million. The estimated additional cost to taxpayers will be an average of $373 annually for homes with an assessed value of $200,000 over the 15-year bond period. If approved, construction is slated to begin in summer 2027 and be completed in fall 2029. The proposed 2026 capital improvements bond represents a strategic investment in essential infrastructure, building a stronger foundation for current and future Pearl River students.
We need these upgrades. It's building for the future, for the next children coming into the community, and it's everybody's responsibility to keep our students safe.
Detailed information is posted on our website, pearlriver.org. Please vote on Tuesday, May 19th.